This patient pressed his call bell. He is in respiratory distress. He needs an albuterol treatment.
Did you ask him to use the peak flow meter so we can see how he is breathing?
No. He is gasping for breath. I can see that he cannot breathe. He needs his albuterol.
How do you know he cannot breathe if you haven't asked him to use the peak flow meter?
He is wheezing, gasping for breath and turning blue. I am going to raise the head of the bed and give him an albuterol treatment now.
No. You cannot do that until you have asked the patient to use the peak flow meter. You are a stupid student. I have been a nurse since I was 3 weeks old. I know what to do.
The patient is now unconscious. We need to call rapid response.
You are not calling anyone until you get that peak flow meter in here.
Are you an idiot? The patient is not conscious. How are we going to ask him to breathe into the peak flow meter?
If you don't get me that meter right now, I will give you a clinical failure.
You fucking bitch. Where can I find the peak flow meters in this piece of shit hospital?
We don't have those here. You have to think outside the box.
I was never taught this material.
It was self-study. Go look it up in your textbook.
The patient is going to die if you don't let me give him his albuterol.
As soon as he uses the peak flow meter, he can have his albuterol treatment.
Never mind. He is dead now, you fucking bitch.
Now you can do his post-mortem care, you stupid nursing student.